Hi, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss in very simple language what is data wrangling, what is data pre-processing, and how both are different. Let's start with data pre-processing. Data pre-processing is the cornerstone of effective data analysis. It transforms raw data into a clean, understandable format through steps like data cleaning, normalization, and feature extraction. This process is crucial as it prepares data for accurate analysis, enabling businesses to derive valuable insights. By implementing robust pre-processing techniques early in the data pipeline, companies can ensure their data is reliable, paving the way for informed decision-making and strategic advantage. Then, what is data wrangling? Data wrangling is essential for transforming raw data into a format that's ready for analysis. It involves cleaning, structuring, and enriching data to enhance decision-making efficiency. Understanding the distinction between data pre-processing and data wrangling is crucial for effective data management. Pre-processing is a one-time task focused on cleaning and basic transformation right after data collection. In contrast, data wrangling is an iterative process that refines and restructures data throughout analysis, allowing for complex manipulations as new insights emerge. Next difference is in terms of scope of activities involved in both. C. Pre-processing ensures data is clean and consistent, focusing on tasks like cleaning and integration. Data wrangling, on the other hand, adapts data for specific analyses, involving complex manipulations and pattern discovery. While pre-processing sets the foundation, wrangling optimizes datasets for evolving analytical needs, enhancing the effectiveness of models. Third difference is in terms of the end goals both try to achieve. Here, pre-processing aims to prepare a pristine dataset for initial analysis by removing errors and inconsistencies. On the other hand, data wrangling continuously adapts datasets to meet evolving analytical needs, ensuring the final models are both effective and accurate. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. More to come in next videos.